Welcome to week 4 of our Culture and Change class. Week 4 is an extension of week 3. In week 3 we looked at assessment, and week 4 we actually start doing some assessment. In this class we want it to be more than just theoretical. We want it to be hands-on. So in this course I'm going to have you doing some assessment, and week 4 I certainly would encourage you to get a jump on these assignments that you have to do, and they will involve you doing some assessment. Some questions that we're going to look at, and questions I want you to think about this week, and to some degree we've already looked at these and thought about these, but I really want you to think about them in more depth now as we've developed more tools as we've gone along. The first question you see there is one particular culture better than another? If we believe in measuring culture and assessing culture, then we must believe that there is value in culture. And in particular, we must believe that one culture is better than the others. Or more specifically, look at the second question there. Culture industry fit. Might it be that one culture is not necessarily always better than another, but may a particular culture be better than another culture in certain situations? In other words, we have culture A and culture B. It may not be that culture A is always better than culture B, but maybe culture A is better in certain industries, whereas culture B is better in other industries. Now, in terms of which industries is culture A better in or culture B better in, that's a whole nother discussion. But there are values in culture, meaning that some are more valuable than others. But as a leader, as a manager, it is up to you to determine in which situations the organization needs a particular culture over another. Also, this third point here is really just a continuation of last week as well. I really just want you to continue to think about the Cameron and Quinn method versus the Shine method. They're very different. They view the measurement of culture very differently, and they're very different in terms of the amount of time each would take to do, which, if you're trying to measure culture, sometimes you need to get it done quickly, particularly in crisis situations. Things have gone south very quickly for your organization, and you need to make changes. Maybe you don't necessarily have time to do an extensive research of your particular culture to assess it. Anyway, just some thoughts, some ideas for week 4 to kind of prime the pump and get your creative juices going in your mind there as you work on this week's assignments. As always, have a great week, and contact me if you have any questions.